Alright, today I'm going to show you how nail polish blocks infrared. And so right here, this is my setup. I have a Raspberry Pi with a PIR sensor coming out of it. These caps go on top of the PIR sensor. This is how it comes originally. So it's just like a clear white coated cap. So I'm going to first show you how with the cap it comes originally on and how sensitive it is to detecting motion. So I'm going to start running my program, and when motion is detected, it's just going to output that motion is detected. So here is my hand that's going to detect the motion. As you can see, I barely get on its side and it detects motion. So basically it will shoot out as the dome shape, and it detects motion from every angle around it. So even from the side right here, it'll detect motion. So I'm going to stop the program, and then I'm going to put on this new cap. This cap I just painted it with nail polish, and I basically just left open the line that I wanted. So now it'll only detect more of a straight line. So looking through there, it's only going to detect what's in front of there because it's blocked by the nail polish. So I'm going to put this cap on. And then I'm going to start running the program. So as you can see right now, my fingers are on the side of it. It's not detecting motion. So for it to detect motion, it has to be completely in front of it. It's got to basically be walking by it. And instead of just walking beside it, it has to be in front of it to detect motion. So that's how nail polish blocks infrared. And in this specific project, it allows me to make more of a direct line for motion to be detected.